Let me show you how to check your investment performance inside of Acorns. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video. If you'd like to know how your investment is performing and how much return on investment have you got so far, let me show you how it is done in this video. This is going to be a short and easy tutorial, so let's get straight into it. In order to check your investment performance, you just need to head over to the investing tab on the bottom. So by default you'll be inside of home. Just tap on the investment option, and right here on the top you'll be able to see your total investment that you've made so far, and it's exactly gonna show you the percentage of return that you've made so far in percent value as well and in actual dollar value as well. So by default all time would be selected. If you want to know it from a month over month or a 3-month basis, you just need to expand this. Just tap on this expander right here, and then you will be able to filter out from 1 year, 2 year, 1 month and 3 months as well. So this is the exact section where you can check how your investments are performing and how much percent returns have you made so far on your investment inside of Acorns. So that's all there is to check investment performance inside of Acorns. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos just like this.